Welcome to the old Mayfield place. I'm Snow, the farmer's wife, and today we're making cornbread mix. It's really easy, but will it really save you money? Stay to the end and you'll find out. Get yourself a large mixing bowl and a whisk to mix it all up. You will also need a large container to store your mix in. I'm using a half-gallon jar. Everything gets dumped into the mixing bowl and I'm sifting mine just to make sure there are no clumps. You want a completely blended product. Start with 4 cups of flour and add 3 cups of yellow cornmeal, 1 cup of sugar, 6 tablespoons of baking powder, not baking soda. I made that mistake once and it was not yummy. Also add 1½ teaspoons of salt. Whisk this together very well, then transfer the mix into an airtight container. Don't forget to label your product so you don't forget what it is. You will want to include the directions for use also. 1½ cups of this mix equals 1 box of Jiffy. To make cornbread, mix 1½ cups of the mix with 2 tablespoons of a liquid oil of your choice. Also add 1/3 cup of milk and 1 egg. Stir until everything is mixed, but don't overstir. Then pour the batter into a greased pan or into a muffin tin. Place this in an oven that's been preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and bake it for 20 minutes or until it is golden brown and a toothpick stuck in the middle comes out clean. This batch makes enough cornbread mix to make 6 recipes. So does it save you any money? A box of Jiffy mix will cost you 60 cents today. That's not much, is it? So how much does our copycat mix cost? After calculating the cost of all the ingredients that make up this batch, it will cost you $1.87 for the entire thing. So each recipe will cost 31 cents. If you only make cornbread or use Jiffy occasionally, it may not be worth it to you. But if you like cornbread as much as we do, or corn pudding, saving half adds up. To extend the life of your cornbread mix, you will want to put a couple of desiccants in the jar to keep moisture out and keep your mix fresh. If you ever found a great sale on potatoes and you wanted to buy extra, but you didn't know how to keep them from going bad before you could use them, watch this video on how to pressure can those bargain potatoes. Thank you for joining me today to learn how to make a copycat Jiffy mix. Stay healthy, save money, and have a blessed week.